Every day, thousands of people visit your website. They click, scroll, and make decisions that impact your business. But you only see the surface, not the why behind their actions. Crowd changes everything. New to Crowd? Create your account to start understanding your users. Returning user? Sign in to continue your journey. Enjoy your 14-day trial by installing Crowd on your website and exploring its powerful features to elevate your user experience. Let's explore Crowd's powerful feedback features that help you hear directly from your users. Start by creating a research study. Choose whether to use screeners to target specific user groups or launch to everyone. Add your question blocks, multiple choice, open-ended rating scales, or any test type that fits your research goals. Preview your study to see exactly what participants will experience, then publish when you're ready. Share to testers via email pool or test link. Need deeper insights? Schedule user interviews, create instant sessions for immediate feedback, or schedule for later, and share the link with participants to join. For ongoing feedback, create custom widgets from scratch or start with our proven templates. Edit everything to match your brand. Colors, text, positioning. Make it truly yours. Collect NPS scores, CSAT ratings, bug reports, and feature requests, all through widgets that feel native to your site. Watch insights flow in real time, turning user voices into actionable improvements. That's how Crowd's feedback features help you listen, learn, and build better experiences. Now let's talk about Crowd's new insight features where you see your product through your user's eyes. Generate your heat map to see exactly where users interact with your content. Explore scroll maps to see how far users scroll, click maps to identify hotspots, and area maps to understand attention patterns. Session recordings let you watch your visitors in action. See exactly how real users navigate your site, every click, scroll, and moment of hesitation. It's like sitting beside your users as they experience your product firsthand. We provide analytics dashboards that fit your business needs. Add widgets that matter to you, conversion rates, user flows, or any metric that drives your decisions. Your personalized dashboard appears right on your homepage, giving you instant insights every time you log in. Track every step of your user's journey. With user activity, you can create events, build funnels, analyze cohorts, and view everything in one powerful dashboard. Create events that matter to your business like signups and purchases. Build funnels to see where users drop off in your conversion process, and analyze cohorts to understand how different user groups behave over time. And now, your dashboard instantly shows you what's working, what needs attention, and where your biggest growth opportunities lie. But here's the magic. You can chat with your data. Select your data source and ask Crowd AI any question about your website activity and users. It's like having your personal data analyst. Ask questions like, which countries generate the most traffic? What common path did users take? And voila, you have your answers instantly. Ready to accelerate your business growth? Install Crowd now. Start collecting the feedback that drives revenue. Invite your team and build the user experiences that fuel your success.